Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on our 2016 Honda Civic Touring, and we're going to be applying some ceramic headlight using this restoration kit. And this is what our headlights look like right now, particularly this side right here. You can see it's very faded. There's a lot of fog and haziness in there, so we're going to try to refinish these and then clear coat them, or sorry, not clear coat, we're going to be ceramic coating them. First step is going to be cleaning the headlight with some soapy water. So step one is the oxidation remover. Go ahead and tear off one of these. And when you do this, you're removing oxidation from the lens, which turns kind of yellow on here. Since I got some on the paint, I'm going to go ahead and then wipe it off with a dry towel. Okay, so now they're saying to rinse this. Rinse and then wipe it off. We're going to start with the 2000 grit sandpaper first, and then we will finish off with the 3000 grit next. Make sure you wet sand, so put a lot of water on it, and here we go. I'm going to put light pressure. And trying to avoid sanding the paint as well. We've got a nice cloudy and hazy look now. All right, go ahead and water the headlight, and we're going to use the 3000 grit and do the same thing for 3 minutes, or 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, the next part's very important. We got to make sure that it's completely dry before you apply the ceramic coat. Okay, step 3, we're going to apply the ceramic clear coating. So this one, you're going to do one wipe all the way across, and you're going to try and not overlap too much. Just one wipe across and then do another one on the bottom until you get complete coverage. Here we go. Get any spots that you missed, like right up there. Once you've done your full wipe across with that ceramic coating, you want to wait 60 minutes before driving or exposing it to any moisture. Okay, so I finished both sides. They both look really, really shiny now. As you can see, the headlights look brand new and much better than before. So let's take a close-up look right there. Very clear. Much better than before. This one was the cloudier and hazier one, but now you can see nice and clear inside. And if you spend even more time on the prep, you can get them as perfect as possible. For me, this is our daily driver. I just wanted to make sure that it was clear and visually easy to see. So this product is a win, really easy to apply, and it's going to protect the headlights for the life of the car, so we don't have to worry about it yellowing or fogging again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good afternoon.